So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment cybersecurity and privacy week 3rd assignment 3rd. So the first question is a company's risk register list third party data breach as a critical risk with GRC function is primarily responsible for ensuring ongoing monitoring and mitigation of this risk. So the options are governance, reducible breach, compliances, and risk management. So the answer of first question is D, risk management. Now the second question is which of the following statement is correct regarding the implementation of a GRC framework? So these are the options and the answer of this question is second. GRC frameworks helps organizations identify, assesses, and mitigate cyber risks but does not make them fully immune to threats. Now, the third question is true or false. De facto standard refers to instructions that dictate certain standard behavior within an organization. So, the answer of third question is false. Now, the fourth question is which of the following refer to a detailed statement of what must be done to comply with policy? De jure practice, guidelines, standard procedures. So the answer of fourth question is D, procedures. Now the fifth question is if an organization's policy states all confidential data must be protected, which of the following would be the most appropriate standard to support this policy? So these are the option and the answer of fifth question is B, confidential data must be encrypted using AES 256. Now the sixth question is true or false. Compliance activities in a GRC framework are limited to following internal company policies and do not involve external law or regulation. So these are the option true and false. Though so the answer of sixth question is false. Now the seventh question is MSQ. Which of the following are example of preventive controls in IT security? Select all that apply more than one answer may be possible. So these are the option and the answer of seventh is A, firewall configuration blocking unauthorized ports, and B, security awareness training for employees, and D, multi-factor authentication MFA for system access. Now the eighth question is which framework developed by the IT community prioritize IT controls objectives and is specified by ISAC, ISACA, Information System Audit and Control Association. So these are the options called COBIT, COSO, ISO, IEC 27001 NIST Cybersecurity Framework. So the answer of eighth question is COBIT, COBIT. Now the ninth question is which of the following statement about the NIST Cybersecurity Framework are not correct? Select all that apply more than one answer may be possible. So these are the option and the answer of ninth question is all of the above. It guarantee complete protection against all cyber threats and so the answer of ninth question, all are these. And now the 10th question is which of the following statement is correct regarding ISO 27001 certificate? So these are the option and the answer of 10th question is C. ISO 27001 certification can only be issued to organization. So now let's submit your answer. So thank you friends for watching this video.